Welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm reviewing Vega wallet. It's a mobile payment solution and point of sale system. These apps enable you to exchange cryptocurrencies, to buy cryptocurrency easier no matter where you are, and you can even download their app. Let's scroll down and see a little more about this ICO. Now, the phase 2, and phase 3. The phase 1, you get a 30% bonus. Phase 2 is 20%, and phase 3 is 11%. These are the team member: Tarek Adri, Jacob Alu, D. Belazi, Bill Oldham, and all of them here. You can find them. Now let's check the white paper out. Check the white paper, 21-page white paper. You can see one. So I encourage you to take your time to go through the white paper. Read the white paper of an ICO is very important because it enables you to see more about the project, what is it all about, and all the rest. Now, the token name is VGW. Is ERC20 token that is based on Ethereum network. Total supply is 200 million. 120 million is available for sale. Now, let's see what ICO Bench is saying about them. The reviews 4.6 on ICO, and I've said before, you can see it here. The soft cap is 3.5 million, while the hard cap is 40 million US dollars. They are based in Malta, and you need a KYC, that is not your customer, to be involved with this ICO. Now, this is 1,433 followers on their Telegram. So I think the project is unique. Its idea is what we all need. And I'm going to leave the link of the ICO down below for you to sign up for the ICO. But do not forget, anything I say in this video is strictly my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence, make your own decision. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for coming to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.